Welcome to Example Program YouTube channel. In this video we will see how we can write a simple Python program to check whether a person is eligible for voting or not. In India, if a person's age is 18 or greater than 18, then he or she can vote. If the age is less than 18, then he or she can't vote. So in this program, what we do is we will ask the user to enter the age. Then we will check the age value whether it is greater than or 18. If so, then we will display yes, you are eligible for voting. If the age is less than 18, then we will say you are not eligible for voting. So the first thing that we do is we will ask the user to enter the age, and for that we will use the input function, and here I'm going to specify the message as enter age, and after seeing this message the user is gonna enter his age, and this input function will return that number as a string value. But in our program we want the age as an integer value, as a number. So what we do is whatever the number that is returned by this input function in string form, we will convert that to number form, integer form, and we can do that by using this int function, and then we will store that number in a variable and let's call it as age. Okay, now we have the age value. We need to check whether age is greater than or equal to 18. Then we have to display the appropriate message. So we will use the if-else conditional statement. If some condition is true, then we will execute some code. If this condition is false, then we will execute some other code. So the condition here will be if the age variable is containing a value which is greater than or equal to 18. If it is so, then the person is eligible for voting, and we will display that message using the print function. Here we will say eligible for voting. If the age variable is containing a value which is less than 18, then this if condition will return false. So the else block will be executed, and if the age is containing a value which is less than 18, then it means that the person is not eligible for voting, and we will display that message using the print function. So here I'm gonna say not eligible for voting. Okay, that's it. We have written the program. Let's save this and let's run this. Enter age. I'm gonna say 24. It says eligible for voting because 24 is greater than or equal to 18. Let's run it one more time. This time I'm gonna enter 18. It says eligible for voting. I'm gonna run it one more time. And this time I'm gonna say 17. It says not eligible for voting. So a very simple program for checking whether a person is eligible for voting or not. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, then hit the dislike button. If you want to say something, then write that in the comment box. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later in the next video.